Bonita.
Thank you.
This week on SailAway.
Well, here we are.
We've hunkered down and chosen our spot as Tropical Storm Ernesto passes straight overhead.
What are you seeing?
What was it? What did I say? The first 46.7?
Saw 46, yeah.
We're like definitely sitting in the high 30s,
Okay.
low 40s, like all the time. 43, 44. That guy's definitely dragging.
Now it's time to find out if we chose our spot wisely.
So meet me on that island, kiss me on that shore. Hey, promise me that we'll sail away, and I'll be yours forevermore.
Isle de Saints is a beautiful cruiser stop just south of and part of Guadeloupe. We hope we get to enjoy all it has to offer, but we showed up here for a very different reason.
Well, it's here. It's morning. The wind and rain started like, I don't know, midnight last night? It's Tropical Storm Ernesto. I'm not sure if it's actually a tropical storm yet, but it will be if it's not. That's what we're dealing with right now. It's just pretty rainy.
Looks like a lot of charter fleet boats have come and grabbed these mooring balls. We did have one issue last night. River's hatch must have been sitting partially open, and we just didn't know it. We heard a thunk, and we didn't know what we were hearing, so we got up and looked around, and we looked in his room first because he was sitting up, but he was all groggy. Then we finally went back in there, and it was because his hatch had flopped open, but it had rained, like it was pouring when all this happened, so it rained all over his bed. We're like, oh, okay, well, it's not a big deal. We had the AC running. He came, slept with us. I figured it would be all dry in the morning, just from the AC running for a couple more hours. We shut it off in the middle of the night. And I went in there to check, and the hatch was actually open like this much with the latch closed. So it's just soaked in there on his bed. We've been watching the two different primary models, the ECMWF European model and the GFS American model, weather-wise, watching their differing predictions for the last, 4 or 5 days to kind of decide where the thing was going to go and what it was going to do. And the European model is generally more accurate, but the GFS once in a while hits gold with something major like this. So we've been watching them both. Obviously, the closer they get together, the closer they start to look alike, time-wise. And the GFS kind of chilled out as the days went on, which was making us very happy, because at first it was the one we were concerned about. It looked like we were going to be right in the path, and it was going to be a tropical storm before it ever got here, and that's when we were considering heading on down to Martinique. But by the time we got here and checked the weather, it had already improved another notch. We were watching it slowly move up and up and north and north and north. And so, yeah, we'll go look at the weather and see which one is predicting what and how long, and they're probably pretty close right now, at least in our vicinity. As we'd hoped, this is nicely protected from the south, so we don't have a ton of crazy swell. That was what I was most worried about. This wind, no matter which model you looked at some point for a long stretch, was going to be due south at least 20 knots, and depending on which model you looked at and all that, it could have been up into the 20s with gusts up in the 30s and 40s, and you don't want to be on a western coast of an island for something like that, or a southern one, obviously. So that's why this particular anchorage looked good to us because it's very, very protected from the south. And so far, not bad. Just a little bit rocky for us, but nothing too big a deal at all. It was much more rocky when the wind was coming from the northeast, because then we were getting some swell around here, and so we were definitely doing this a little bit. Now that it's coming from south or maybe a little southwest, we've got all of that, all of those islands protecting us. So we'll see how it progresses. Another, I was going to say bummer, but it's not a bummer at all. Another pretty cool thing. This is the first day since I installed those solar panels that we've had to use the generator to charge batteries. We woke up this morning and I just turned it on before we started rolling. Whereas normally about this time we'd start having pretty good charge coming in those panels already. First time, almost 2 weeks now, that all of our battery charge, every bit, has come from the solar panels, and they've been really pouring it in. We've seen the batteries hit absorb and float charge multiple times. Point is, solar panels have been killing it. We're very, very happy with them. So I don't think we're going to get a lot out of them today, though. Question might be, will one pot be enough today? Hola, bonita.
Thank you.
Well, here we are. What are you seeing?
What was it? What did I say? The first 46.7?
Saw 46, yeah.
We're like definitely sitting in the high 30s,
Okay.
low 40s, like all the way back. 43, 44, 23.
Yeah, it picked up in a hurry.
That guy's definitely dragging. Oh, look at him go real fast. The other one I don't think is.
These two guys back here, I thought they were on mooring balls, and Lauren says they were both anchored. These two bollies that came in sometime last night, and they are definitely dragging. Hope they're not on a mooring ball.
Yeah, if they're dragging, I hope they're not on the mooring ball. That means the mooring ball failed.
Yeah.
We're on the mooring ball.
Everybody else on the ball seems to be holding steady, including the big guy over here. Rivers is dry, just drawing away. Come out here, man. Check this out. It's crazy.
Okay, so that boat, yes,
Yeah.
Yeah.
so did that those other boats.
44. This is for real tropical storm.
Yeah.
This now.
Yeah, it is.
Ending on.
Holy, I got cold because it's been out there for a second.
Yeah.
You got cold? That's his only concern. It's cold. Whew. I just checked our mooring lines just a little bit ago, and everything looked good. I can't help but want to go check them again, but
I know.
I don't really want to in this. Maybe I'll go look real quick.
It would make me feel better.
Yeah.
Although if something's wrong, what would we do? You're getting in your dinghy and
I guess, yeah, get in the dinghy and go up there and tie something else.
it's only down to 20 now, so it's not that bad.
40.
Made it off the boat. I think the storm is past, so the dog really needed it off. And this place has a really cool square that we can tie up to. I don't even know if you're technically allowed to, but we did. So here we are. Have ball. Make friends.
I'm enjoying our hurricane day. This is how you end a hurricane day the right way.
And feeling very happy to have Ernesto leaving us safely behind, we did actually get to go out and enjoy some of Isle des Saints. It's a beautiful group of islands with a lot of fun things to do, including really cool hiking trails, one of which leads to a beautiful restored fort.
We're walking up to Fort Napoleon today. Apparently it's named after him, but he's never actually been there. Shouldn't be too bad of a hike. River's not in the middle of the street. Stay on one side. It's all on streets. It's just a little hot, but when is it not?
Is that it? That's just a part of it for sure. That's a fort. Can you just picture a French knight up at the top saying, "Go away, or I shall taunt you a second time. I was a hamster and your father smelt of elderberries." Sorry, that means you were a hamster and I smelled of elderberries. Fachez la vache! I don't know if the French like that movie though.
I wouldn't. Take him down underneath the timeline.
Non chien. Now you get a nice rest until it's time to go back down the hill. Oh man. This old pedestal, Rivers. It's a ship's pedestal. That was the steering, and this was the forward and reverse of both motors. Lente demi normale tutte martini. En avant, that's forward. En arrière, that's reverse.
He knows. Well, that's Lauren and Rivers on the paddleboard, heading over to see a wreck. And I'm about to catch up with them. I was just hanging up a little bit of laundry, and they were ready, so they wound up taking off. But I think I'll catch up pretty fast because I'm taking this bad boy. This might be a really good spot because the water should be really clear, and hopefully we can see the wreck that's down there. Let's go snorkel straight off the boat. It's my favorite kind. Well, this is a little different than usual.
Yeah. We don't know what it is.
We are not French, therefore we don't know what is going on. But it smells good. And there's music, and there's drinks, and Rivers is still kicking his soccer ball. As far as I can tell, nobody cares.
No one said anything.
They didn't let us park our boat over here like usual, but...
Yeah.
Gotta get a video of me pouring it all over the counter. Good stuff. Good stuff. Nailed it.
Working overtime here. They look delicious.
Just give it a lick. It's like a popsicle.
I mean, we gotta do them though.
Oh, it cooked 9 eggs.
I don't know what you want from me.
I want answers, damn it. Just like that.
That's gone.
Alright, no more of that.
It said gimbal limits reached.